Hello all of you. Today the Marketing Software channel is back to share with everyone how to get the friends list of any personal Facebook account and transfer it to an Excel file. First, I determine the Facebook account that needs to get the friends list. You can go to your personal Facebook page and choose a random personal Facebook account. For example, this Facebook account. I will find this Facebook friends list in an Excel file. First, I converted their personal Facebook link to an ID number sequence. After converting the ID, I copy this ID number sequence, and now I use a software tool. It's a data marketing software tool. Then I went to select the section to scan personal data. Choose to scan your friends. I enter my number sequence. I just copied it here. Then I choose the scanning account, and now I will press start to make it work. Everyone wait a moment. The software will log into any Facebook account you enter. It could be about your Facebook account, or a certain Facebook account that you own. I just need to enter it, and it will log in and select the correct account I requested, so it can scan out the list of friends of that person. Here, and it will scan many friends lists until all of these friends are exhausted. For every page displayed, it displays 50 people. Everyone, please wait until the full list is scanned. After scanning your friends file, then I will export it to an Excel file. Then I can save it to any file, such as Data Friends. Open that data file to check, and when opened, everyone will receive the information. First, the profile is the ID of the account that I need to scan, and this is the ID of each friend. This column is the name of the personal Facebook accounts of that person's friends. Everyone can refer to this information. If you need more detailed information or need to purchase a license, please contact me for support. Thank you and see you again in the next videos.